Hello, hello, good morning. Requested by Madam Maya. So, Madam, I hope you're watching this video. This one, I make it for you to discuss. Last night you requested me to show this one. Okay? Because last night is very difficult my time because race time. Okay? So I promise you, and morning I do it for you. Okay. This one, madam, is this one I post previous post this one. I see like very dark apple green, and then can you scan this one if you want to buy? Okay, this one only outside, don't put in the breeze because this one very oily before you use or take 1 spoon or 2 spoon, depend on your hair if long or short. Usually my madam not so much long hair, but I take 1 spoon 2 spoon because every time you mix it will be more, and don't so much put water. Slowly put water little bit until you feel it like soft and sticky, little bit enough. Okay, you see like very oily so much. And then this one, like I said, can you scan this one QR code if you want, if you are here? I don't know where is from this product, this one. So you scan, okay? And this one, madam, another one, this is I tell last night, very dark brown. So almost same product or same brand, because same, see, same. Okay, and then this one, the different is like what mean this one, madam, is very brown na, not dark, because my video is I don't know why black. This one very dark brown. Okay, this one can put hot water. What is this? Yeah, this one can put hot water, and then mix it nicely, because it's sticky, very sticky, madam. And you see, like this one. And then this one put inside the fridge, because if stay outside will be damaged, and then have something like a flower here, the white, and then will be damaged long time if you can't put inside the fridge. Okay, this one, if you use this one, if you do make it and mix it nicely, leave it 2 hours, before applying your hair. Okay, and then this one, if you use this one, can apply direct, no problem. So I hope, madam, you understand my English is jumping because today at this time is very morning, so 7 o'clock morning, so my English is sleeping. You see, these are different. Okay, bye bye, madam. Thank you.